stand up if you'd like to, Dave.
Oh,
Hop out of the boat.
Dave, how's it feel?
It feels great.
Are you reeling?
Well, yeah. Just keep applying some pressure. And I want you to be pulling up and over my head with the rod. There you go. Yeah. Now reel up on it. So I'm not going to net the fish until you can kind of get it up on the surface with the head up, right? Keep working at that, keep applying steady pressure up and toward me. Up, yeah, pull on 'em. Nice work, that didn't take too long, Dave.
It didn't take long at all, did it?
Do me a favor and pull some slack off that reel there.
Good job, Dave.
I don't know if you guys want to deep fish today or not. They are hatchery fish, but I would advise not keeping this one. This time of year, the hens, well, they just don't taste very good, you know. So. I need to get something on my bag. Can you hold the handle of that here?
Absolutely. Dave, that's a nice fish.
That's a nice fish.
You okay putting it back? Yeah. You all right?
You can keep it if you want to. The hens don't.
Be any good smoke? Or?
Not in my opinion.
No.
I'm picky about the fish I eat, you know, so.
What, Dave? You want to keep it?
Dave, if you want to keep them, you can. It's a hatchery fish.
I really think you're going to catch more fish today. That weight tastes better than that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dave, way to go, man.
Yeah.
And you didn't panic? You didn't jerk?
That was
you
easy.
know?
Yeah.
Well, he took it fine. I mean, I didn't have
No,
to set nothing.
it's because of your skill.
I know. It's because he told me what to do.
Yeah, that's it.
Nice going, Ethan.
That takes some execution there.
I'm telling you, you know, powerful.
You want me to try?
Yeah.
Start ready to what? Just point it? Point it?
Yeah.
Recording right now.
Oh,
Good.
man versus fish.
We got the back
Look
of your
at him
head
traveling
pretty
around.
nice. Well, I can't do anything about that. Well, no, that's the best part of you.
Is it?
Where are we going to try this?
There's nowhere to beach him here, so we're
Okay.
just going to land him in the boat.
Got it. Strong fish.
Excuse me here, other Dave. I'm going to get this rod out of the way.
Sure. Great. No problem. So I'm going to go back home and figure out how to tie up some tube flies.
They're awesome, man.
Yeah,
I love the
learned
tube.
something.
And so get this, too. So I fish that same fly, reel. Take up that fly. I fish that same fly, weighted or unweighted. I take lead eyes and tie them on a tiny piece of tubing. And so
Lead eyes?
Yeah, and so you can put it on your leader just above the fly and fish it weighted, or take it off and fish it weightless like this. Tremendously versatile. Nice.
Nice fish.
Okay.
I got that.
Did you?
I think so. I have a blind man watching the camera.
Fantastic.
The only competent guy here is at the oars.
That's fish is going to take off probably a couple more times. Here.
Yeah, I'm a little worried about taking line through the...
Yeah, I don't like it when they're green and right by the boat like this either.
So,
Just get ready for him to run. I'm going to try to make him take a run. Okay, fine. Okay, we might be able to get him here. Reel a little more, up. Good. Now, rod over the way and drag back this way. Not quite. Reel a little more. I need you to shorten up on him a little bit more for me to get him. There you go. Freaks out, let him go, otherwise.
Oh, I will.
Slowly tuck him in here.
Okay. Oh, this is fantastic.
All right. Reel, up and toward me. About to get him.
All right.
All
Awesome.
right.
Awesome, Dave.
Nice job, Dave. High five. And this would be probably a decent fish to eat if one of you wants to take him. Or we can let him go, whatever you guys want to do.
Let's take him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Normally I wouldn't, but it's my
Yeah.
first one and Dave's hungry, right, Dave?
Yeah. It's a hatchery fish. Why not? That's what
Yeah.
they're for. Let me subdue the fish here. And by that I mean I'm going to club it. So take the rod, do me a favor, grab that rod and let out some line. Just pull some slack out for me. There we go. A little bit more slack.
Dave, do you agree? You're okay with...
Yeah.
Okay. Dad always likes this part, the whacking.
Yeah, this is an oar that I found, a broken oar I found on the just shoots. This is a great whacker. It's a one-shot deal. Oh, I kind of missed. There it goes.
Good job, Ethan.
Yeah, nice shot.
Putting us right over the fish.
Yeah.
Well, he hit that thing hard, man.
Yeah.
He just
Oh, yeah. There wasn't any doubt about it. He was after it.
Yeah, and those are the fish that you hook a lot better, because like the harder they take it, the easier it is to hook them. They basically hook themselves.
Right.
If you smile at me, I will understand. 'Cause that is something everybody everywhere does in the same language. I can see by your coat, my friend, you're from the other side. There's just one thing I got to know. Can you tell me, please? One. Say, can I have some of your purple berry? Yes, I've been eating them for 6 or 7 weeks now. Haven't got sick once. Probably keep us both alive. Wooden ships on the water, very free and easy. Easy, you know the way it's supposed to be. Silver on the shoreline, let us be. Talking about very free and easy.